In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your MyLife ePortfolio with someone. In this case, I'm logged in as our test account, John student. John would like to share his MyLife account with his friend Damon, so I'm going to select Share MyLife from the options menu. In this case, John can share it with someone who he's already connected with in Cognitopia. He can email it, text it, or copy the link and send it a different way. I'm going to click Share with a Connection and see Damon from the list of people that he's connected with. I'm going to click Send. And you'll see a notice, you shared this, with Julie and Damon. I have my own account selected as well. On the flip side, Damon has already shared his MyLife portfolio with John, and I see that here in a notification. Damon Rickert has shared their portfolio with you. I'm going to click on that notification link, and now I see Damon's portfolio as John. And you can see some of the different things that John is welcome to click through and read and learn about Damon because he's received access to Damon's account. One thing I wanted to note was that if you are sharing your MyLife account, it is possible that someone who supports you has changed your permissions so that you can only share within your network of people you've connected with in Cognitopia. So the way that I'm viewing this here is that John student is attempting to share with his friend Damon, and he doesn't have the option to text or email or copy his MyLife link. He has to be connected with someone first. And in another video, I will show supporting people how to turn that toggle switch between full sharing and restricted sharing on and off.